Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring indoor garden ideas and inspiration. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So let's get started. Looking to bring the beauty of nature indoors? Whether you live in a tiny apartment or a spacious home, creating your own indoor garden is totally possible and incredibly rewarding. In this video, we're sharing indoor garden design ideas and essential tips to inspire your green space, no matter your skill level. Tip 1. Choose the right spot. Before anything else, location is key. Most indoor plants love indirect light, so find a spot near a bright window, but avoid direct sun unless your plant thrives in it. North or east-facing windows are great for low-light plants, while south-facing windows are perfect for sun lovers like succulents and cacti. Tip 2. Use vertical space. Short on space? Think vertical. Wall planters, ladder shelves, and hanging pots can turn an empty corner into a lush green display. It saves floor space and creates a layered look that adds depth and visual interest to your room. Tip 3. Mix plant types and heights. For a dynamic design, mix tall floor plants with mid-sized tabletop plants and trailing vines. This combination adds texture and keeps the space from looking flat or too uniform. The contrast in height and shape gives your garden a fuller, more curated feel. Tip 4. Match your decor style. Your indoor garden should reflect your personal style. If you love minimalism, choose simple pots with clean lines. For a boho vibe, go with rattan baskets, macrame hangers, and earth-toned pottery. Rustic fans can try wood shelves and terracotta pots. Whatever your style, let your garden complement it. Tip 5. Use natural materials. Adding wood, clay, wicker, or bamboo helps connect your indoor garden with nature. These organic textures make the space feel warm and grounded, while also highlighting the beauty of your plants. Tip 6. Add lighting and ambiance. If you don't get much natural light, don't worry, there are great lighting options for plants. LED grow lights can keep your plants thriving, and soft ambient lighting like fairy lights or lanterns can make the space feel magical in the evenings. Tip 7. Make watering easy. Root plants with similar watering needs together so you can care for them more efficiently. Self-gradering pots or moisture meters can also take the guesswork out of plant care and help you avoid overwatering or underwatering. Tip 8. Add color with flowers or foliage. Green is calming, but a splash of color can make your indoor garden pop. Try plants with vibrant leaves like calatheas or crotons, or add flowering plants like African violets, peace lilies, or orchids for a burst of color and variety. Tip 9. Use mirrors to reflect greenery. Mirrors are a great way to make your space feel bigger and brighter. Positioning a mirror near your garden can double the visual impact and reflect natural light back into the room, giving your plants a boost. Tip 10. Create a relaxation corner. Your indoor garden can be more than just a pretty display. It can be a space to unwind. Add a comfy chair, a cushion, or even a small table for tea or reading. Surround yourself with greenery to create a peaceful personal retreat. Tip 11. Keep it tidy and organized. A clean space makes your garden more enjoyable and functional. Use trays to group smaller pots, baskets to store supplies, and tiered stands to make the most of your space. A well-organized setup looks intentional and stylish. There you have it, easy and beautiful ways to design your own indoor garden. Whether you're going for a jungle vibe or a minimal plant corner, you can create something that's totally your own. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of various indoor garden ideas and inspiration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!